It's the afternoon weather briefing. This is for Tuesday, the 17th of December. This is James Spann. For some of you, it's been a sunny, warm day. For others, a lot of clouds, a little rain. We stay very mild for one more day, and then we start to turn cooler Thursday and Friday, and a fairly chilly weekend setting up. But what about Christmas? The new maps are in, so let's take a look. Let's begin with the current radar. We are live this afternoon at 2:45, and you can see a little patch of light rain coming through parts of Winston, Walker, Cullman, Lawrence, Morgan counties in North Alabama, moving northeast. The rest of the state is dry. There's the upper air look, and again, a fairly weak flow here. Not much dynamic support. There's a surface front north of the state. The stronger winds aloft are to the north. Visible satellite view, the southern half of the state enjoying a sunny, warm day. Temperatures near record levels. But for the northern third of the state, really from I-20 north, the clouds have been hanging tough. And again, we've got that little spot of rain over Winston County up in northwest Alabama at mid-afternoon. The rest of the state is dry. Now, for the northern counties where the clouds are in place, we have 60s. For example, Huntsville and Birmingham, mid-60s. But hey, you go down to the south where the sun is shining, we have upper 70s, very close to records. Montgomery at 78, their record high for today is 79. 78 for Mobile, 77 for Dothan. So a dense fog advisory for South Mississippi and South Louisiana had a really nasty multiple-car pileup on the causeway over Lake Pontchartrain this morning. I mean, they're just nasty. It's still closed, I think, as of this update at 2:47 this afternoon because of zero visibility with fog. And to the north, looks like a few counties in North Tennessee and South Kentucky under a flash flood watch, a winter storm watch for parts of North Dakota and Minnesota, and some wind issues over Montana. We do note through tonight there is a low-end marginal risk of severe storms from the northeastern corner of Texas into west and middle Tennessee. That would include places like Memphis and Little Rock. But again, it's a low-end threat. There could be a few storms with strong gusty winds this evening in advance of the front. And then tomorrow, we have a marginal risk over a fairly good part of the state of Tennessee, but not for Alabama. No severe storms expected here, at least for the next 10 days. And on day 3, which is Thursday, no severe storms around the country. Maybe some thunder down in extreme South Florida. We'll check rain for the next 7 days, and really not much. This is valid through Tuesday morning of next week. Christmas Eve, about a half inch for the Tennessee Valley, about a tenth of an inch for Tuscaloosa, Birmingham, Anniston, Gadsden, and just not much rain at all for the southern half of the state. So model fans, here we go, the GFS. This is the 12Z run, valid tomorrow afternoon at 3. And again, you can see a little shortwave approaching from the west, and that in combination with a surface front will bring a chance of rain to the state. Now, the day will be unseasonably mild. Highs go back in the 70s in many spots. The NBM is spitting out low 70s for Birmingham. Again, upper 70s down in South Alabama. Rain at times, maybe some thunder. Don't expect any severe storms, despite that warmth. And then on Thursday, a different kind of day. A cooler, drier air mass settles in here. The sky becoming sunny. Highs go back in the 50s for the northern half of the state. This is Friday, sunny and cool. We start the day in the 30s. The high will be in the 50s, which is seasonal, which is what we expect this time of the year. And for the weekend, kind of a secondary push of colder air comes in. This is Saturday. We start the day a little below freezing. The high, upper 40s and low 50s. And Sunday morning, we'll see a freeze for a pretty good chunk of the state, and the high Sunday afternoon at or just over 50 in many locations. Monday, we're still dry with low 50s, and a week from today, Tuesday, December 24th, Christmas Eve, got a trough approaching from the west. We're still dry. High should be in the 50s, and let's just go out one more day, Christmas Day, Wednesday, December 25th. Got an upper low this over Arizona, a little short wave coming through here. In the GFS now depicting that will probably squeeze out some light rain, and the European in very good agreement. So now both global models are suggesting Christmas Day will be mostly cloudy, the chance of some light rain at times, highs upper 50s and low 60s. No severe storms, not raining all day, not a washout, but it certainly looks like we'll see some light rain at times on Christmas Day. Rain for Birmingham coming off the European ensemble. This is valid through the 1st of 2025, New Year's Day. Coming off the European, the mean a little under an inch and a half. And it's the roller coaster ride. Strap in. This is for Birmingham. Your number could vary. 73 tomorrow, but by the weekend, upper 40s on Saturday and Sunday. Then we bounce back by Christmas Day, the high 59, then low 60s on Thursday and Friday of next week. And hot off the presses, got the brand new 8 to 14 day guidance for December 25th through December 31st. Not exactly a good look here for cold air lovers. Temperatures over the contiguous United States above average. All right, let's roll that Children's of Alabama Kid Cam I love this week. The week before the Christmas break, everybody's in a good mood. I like these third graders, Mill Creek Elementary School in Madison. We had a great session today, and man, that cake just looks good. Man, that's outstanding. Looks good, tasted good, but just a great session today. These kids were amazing listeners and learners. You know the deal. I love those third graders. We talked about how we forecast the weather. We talked about tornadoes, hurricanes, winter storms, ways of staying safe during times of severe weather. That's a great school, great administrative team, teachers and students. So again, to all those third graders at Mill Creek Elementary School in Madison, thanks a lot for a great visit earlier today. Hey, you guys are looking great. So one more time, there's the radar. We're live at 2:51. Little batch of light rain coming through Winston, Lawrence, Morgan, Cullman counties in North Alabama. Other than that, things are pretty quiet. And again, see a little light rain tomorrow, but not expecting any severe storms. Tomorrow going to be at Chelsea Park Elementary School in Shelby County. And then Thursday, Breakthrough Charter School, Perry County in Marion. That's going to be a great visit. And then Friday, it's a Weather Brains Friday morning special. Hey, we're recording next week's show Friday morning at 9:30, youtube.com/weatherbrains. And, of course, we invite you to watch us on television this evening, ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening, and God bless.